Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the site cannot be reached on Google. This error usually appears when you try to open a website using Google Chrome but the page doesn't load. Don't worry, most of the time it happens and it's easy to fix. First, check your internet connection, make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data is turned on and working. Try opening other website to confirm your internet is fine. You can also reload the page. Sometimes the site fails to load just once. Tap the refresh button and try again. If that doesn't work, check your website address. Make sure the URL is typed correctly, everyone. Even one wrong letter can cause the error. You can also restart your browser, close the Chrome browser completely and reopen it and try again loading the site. You can also clear browser cache cookies. For that, go to the setting, tap on privacy, then tap on delete browser data, then select delete data. Old data can block website from loading. Another easy fix is to restart your device. This helps clear temporary system problem that affects internet issue. If the error still appears, turn off VPN or proxy setting. Some websites block VPN connection which cause the error. You can also change your DNS setting, switch to Google DNS or automatic DNS and try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.